Inhale slowly and exhale. You should have your spine straight. So sit with your spine straight. Inhale slowly and exhale. One more time, inhale slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. As you exhale, just exhale all the tension, all the stress that you feel about money, any kind of fear, insecurity, instability that you feel. Just exhale, inhale and exhale. And now feel the earth beneath your leg. Just imagine that there are roots which is arising from the back of your spine and it is going down through your legs and grounding you to the ground. It is going down inside the ground and forming a root-like structure beneath your leg. And you can also see that the golden energy from the earth is coming up from these roots. It is coming up to your legs and going inside your body. Say to yourself, thank you, earth, for supporting me. I am connected to you, safe and abundant. Now visualize a golden sun above your head. A big golden sun. Just visualize it is above your head. It is representing the financial abundance and financial freedom. Now just imagine the streams of golden dust, shimmering golden light. It is pouring out of the sun and it is coming down, entering into your head from your crown chakra, and slowly it is filling into your entire body, going down into your legs, going out of your legs into the ground. Your entire body is filled with this shimmering gold light in and around you. You can feel the energy everywhere in all directions around your body. You are totally enveloped in this golden shimmer light which is coming out of the golden sun above your head. Imagine this golden light is filling up each and every cells of your body. It is activating the feeling of worthiness, prosperity, and gratitude. Each and every cell is vibrating with this golden energy, activating the feeling of worthiness, prosperity, gratitude, and stability. Each and every cell is now activated with this golden light and golden energy. Bring your awareness to your heart. You can see the pink light just outside of your heart. It is a whirling center. You can notice that the pink light is circling in front of your heart, and few of the golden shimmer light is also filling into that heart chakra. Silently just look at your heart chakra and say, I am sorry for all negative thoughts, beliefs, and emotions I have held about money. Please forgive me for doubting my worthiness to receive abundance and for resisting the flow of money into my life. Thank you for the lessons money has taught me and also for the abundance that is already there in my life. I love you, the energy of money, and the freedom, the joy it brings along, the possibilities it brings into my life, the opportunities it brings into my life. I love you, dear money, with all my heart. I respect you. As you repeat these phrases, just visualize this golden light is dissolving all the blocks of doubts, all the energies of fear, all your limiting beliefs around money. And as you do that, you realize that your body is changing its color from grayish to white, and slowly your body is filling with white light. Repeat the prayer, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you do this, your body is becoming brighter and brighter. The pink energy in your heart is becoming more bright. You can find the flow of unlimited amount of gold energy into your body. These gold particles of money is swirling around you. These particles represent infinite possibilities of financial abundance. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now begin pulling this energy more towards you. This gold energy from the sun, start pulling it towards you from your heart. Just allow it to flow through you. It is coming inside your body from the front and going out from the behind. Just pull this energy, pull. Keep on pulling this energy. Keep on pulling this energy. This golden energy is completely pulling. It is going out from behind you. Just keep on pulling this energy till such time you start feeling full of this energy. Every cell in your body is filled with this golden energy. Keep on pulling this energy, this money towards you. This is the abundance, the flow of infinite money from the universe to you. Just allow it. You cannot keep it stuck. Just allow it to pass through you. And as it passes through you, it also fills you with abundance. Just imagine it is flowing through your body, going out from behind, and it is going back into the universe, into the space. Along with it, it is also filling your entire house. Your entire house is illuminated with gold light. Each and every corner of your house is filled with this golden light. All the fears, all the thought forms which is lingering into your house, which has the fear of money, fear of instability, fear of insecurity about money, all the limiting beliefs, all the thought forms of limiting beliefs which is lingering into this house, into your house, it's simply getting dissolved by this golden light. And it is filled with abundance, unlimited flow of abundance. It fills you completely, it fills your house completely, and it goes back into the space. Expand your energy. Just feel the entire room you are in. Expand it further into the city. Expand it further into the country. Expand it further into the entire space. And with you, the golden energy is also spreading. In the entire space, you can find the entire space is illuminated with gold light, and bless each and every person on earth with financial stability. Any person who is feeling insecurity about money, having the limiting beliefs. Bless them with abundance of money. Pull even more golden energy. Just allow it to fill you, allow it to fill your space, your house. Let it go back into the space, allow it to fill in the entire space. There is room for everyone. As you keep on pulling the money energy, I want you to keep on repeating into your mind, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Everything that stops you from receiving and creating abundance into your life, just release it. You're filled with prosperity and abundance into your life. Just visualize this light which is pouring down from the sun. It is like a rain of wealth and prosperity showering down upon you from the universe. Now, I want you to include your wallet, your bank accounts, your home, your heart, everything into this rain. Just visualize that your wallet is filling up with this rain of money from the universe. Your bank accounts is filling up. Each of your bank accounts are simply filling up with this. Include your bank account into the rain of prosperity and simply see the amount increasing there super fast. Keep on pulling even more energy. And now, thank you for the infinite flow of wealth in my life. I receive this abundance with total gratitude and total joy. Thank you so much, universe. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for clearing all the limiting beliefs, for creating all the fear around money, and giving me an infinite flow of wealth into my life. Thank you so much. Say thank you to the earth. As you say thank you to the earth, you realize that you are also receiving the abundance from the earth. There is also energy, gold energy, which is sent from the earth. It is coming from the roots to your legs and filling your entire body. And there is a gold energy sent from the universe, which is entering into your crown and filling your entire body. Both this light is merging into one, and you can find there is a strong absorption of golden light into your entire body. Your entire body is filled with golden light and it is radiating with golden light. Slowly affirm, I am a powerful creator of financial abundance. I am a powerful creator of money and wealth and prosperity. I have money at my disposal at all times. Money flows to me easily, constantly, and in great amount. I am aligned with the energy of infinite wealth and abundance of the universe. I can tap into the energy of infinite wealth and abundance of the universe whenever I want. Thank you, universe, for giving me the infinite source of money into my life. Thank you for creating financial stability and abundance and wealth. Thank you so much. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Stretch them if needed. And whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes with a smile.